Hi, my name is Dawn like the Lion King. This is my channel. DBNaila done by Nala. Hi.
It's Twinum! Ah!
Going out of nowhere, huh? Okay. I mean, what do you want me to do? If you don't know me, I'm a mental health creative. If you don't know me, I am a creative mental health art. Wow, it's been a while. I'm a creative mental health artist, and this is my creative mental health safe space. Is that?
I'm a creative who does mental health stuff.
Yeah, what she said. What she said. Because I clearly didn't know.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna be painting.
Big painting, like that big old one. I'm so excited.
Yeah, I haven't picked a brush up in like, I want to say a month and a half now, which is really crazy. It's been a lot of things going on.
You have been lonely and depressed. Lonely and depressed.
But like I say, it's always rough when I talk to you guys. Mental health is serious. Yeah. So yeah, it's always some stuff going on.
Bo-ho, bo-ho.
So yeah, I'm gonna work on the painting, but I'm also gonna work on something else. Not my sculpture. I'm not gonna work on my sculpture today. Don't touch it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna start in and just start right up. Can you like go? I didn't appreciate her just coming up on my set like that, but it's okay.
3 days later.
Ah, remember homegirl? It's been a while. Yeah, I'm gonna paint today. I have my handy dandy palette. Let's just ignore the back. I didn't scrape the stuff off, so I'm just gonna go ahead and turn around. I literally had to clean all of my brushes because they were hard as rock. Yeah. So, I have to jump in. I don't know how I'm gonna jump in, but I'm gonna jump in. Ooh. Is this close enough?
Is this camera on me?
Yeah.
Can y'all see me? See it? See it? Good. Okay. Where do I even start? Like, I haven't painted in literally months. Like, months. This brush is very tattered, but I'm gonna try my best to get some of this stuff and crap off of it. Messy. Let's get our paints. I don't even remember what colors I used with this. I guess I'm gonna just paint and fix this blue because I don't really like this bluish tone. But before I do that, I'm gonna get some colors. Matter of fact, where's my scraper? I know I have my scraper somewhere. So you're telling me I lost it and I just bought it? Y'all remember when I just got the scraper? It's just one thing. It's just one thing. I can't find my scraper, so I'm just gonna use the back of this. Let's get my paints. Red. Yellow. Blur. White. I feel better. Obviously I can make a purple, but I figured I'd just cheat and just use this purple. Can y'all see this? Why is this thing not focusing? Hello? I can't remember if I needed pink, but if so, I have a little bit. And then I have black. Where am I? Black. I don't know why I sniffed it. That was powerful. I never know if this stuff is toxic. This, I want to say is... I don't know. Where's my spatula? My spat. Oh, there it is. Ow! Oh, cut myself. No, I did cut myself. Where's my big mama jamma? I can't. You know, y'all, I swear, I lose stuff so quickly, and I just bought it. I found my big mama jamma. I feel like you can really hurt somebody with this weapon. You can hear it. Listen. I think I got all my colors. Ta-da! Alright, I guess I paint now? I'm like truly nervous because like I haven't painted in so long. Awesome. Okay. Oh! Bro, I really ruined my brushes. Look at this. Look how ruined this is. Like, I don't even know how to... They're just really bad. I'm gonna just use this one. This one is... Dang, this one hard too. Yeah, googly. Y'all, my brushes look terrible. Like, truly. Hold on, I'm gonna have to look for something I can use. Here y'all see this? This one's a lot better. I can use this. This looks softer. Okay, so I have a better paintbrush now. Yeah, I'm just trying to replicate all the older colors. I have to fix my water to paint ratio and the certain brushes, because usually how I paint paintings, I for the most part use the same brush, but if you notice, I'm switching out brushes a lot. So my plan basically is to get rid of the blue. I didn't like the blue a lot, so I'm trying to get rid of it. So part of me was just like, I wanted to focus just on one face and work on like really getting in there with the details, which is kind of terrible when you're first getting back into painting, is being super particular of things. I'm not going far with this painting today. I'm just trying to psych myself into getting back into it. It's been really weird, you know, because like I've been gone from YouTube. I just haven't been gone from creating art before. Not gonna lie, I was going through the emotions because I'm like, did I just forget how to paint? I don't know, have you guys kind of been there? I know we talk about it a lot, and like I know I'm not alone when it's just kind of like you take breaks. You know, it's kind of hard getting back into your creative mindset when you've been gone for so long, or you just had things in your head. How do you guys get over it? Like, how do you jump back into it is the question. Because like I feel like that's what it is. Like it's the jump of like getting back to that creative ideas. Like I feel like I went past it and I got in the studio. I did it. I listened to what you guys said. I'm trying to get into tutorials, not what tutorials, I'm trying to get into, what's it called? What is it called? I am drawing a blank. Get into routines. I'm trying to get into routine. So I worked on some dreams. Like I've been trying to like casually get my way into it. I don't know if you guys just been through that, where it's just kind of like you're prepared, you did the push, you're putting your artistic and creative career in the forefront now, and then when you get in that studio, just kind of sitting there like, how did I do this before? Like, do I dip the brush in here, or like, yeah. You know, maybe it's my fault. Maybe I shouldn't have started with just this painting first. Maybe I should have done a whole different one so it can like jog my memory. You know, that's probably what it is, y'all. Wow. Getting halfway through this session, I'm kind of like, I don't know how I did it. I don't know how I did to paint a whole painting in one session or 2 sessions, but I was just sitting down here. I've been here, I think, for like an hour, and I'm trying to figure out how did I paint this. I was so uncomfortable, so nervous. I was watching Ragnarok, not like the Thor Ragnarok. It was the Netflix animated thing. I was so interested in it, and I was just like, you know what? Instead of music, I put on a show, which could have messed up my mojo, because usually I put on music to do my thing, but I don't know. Side note, it was crazy that last time, it was like, I think it was like a month ago when I did have the photo shoot, the person asked for me to get non-toxic paint, and I don't know why. I made a joke about it earlier, but I never really like looked up to see if the paint I use is toxic, because if you guys know, like I use my fingers with the paint a lot, like to blend it in, and what, am I not supposed to do that? I see all these type of artists with like gloves, and I'm like, maybe it's not acrylic, maybe it's just oil, because I'm not using my fingers with oil paint because I feel like that's just toxic. I don't know, but I did not know acrylic could be like toxic, so maybe I shouldn't be using my fingers on certain paints. And then like what I did was, I specifically, when I had bought paints that while ago, I specifically looked for paint that were non-toxic, and I realized how small my options were. So if I had paint on my finger, will it like stain my finger? Okay, you know what? Y'all gonna be mad, but I'm gonna stop right here. I'm gonna stop right here. I'm gonna show you at the end what the paint looks like. I want to show you guys something. Random note, I had a dream. I'm not gonna like go into detail, but I have been having the most vivid dreams recently, like extremely vivid dreams. Like, where's my iPad? I just had my 1 second, just like 1 second. Okay, so it's on here. It's clearly dead.
Nice.
But we're just gonna like,
All right.
act like the picture is like on here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the process of it. I think it's this way. Yeah. Okay, you see it? Okay, so I can't remember like the entire dream because I'm not gonna story time a dream because I only leave that for dreaming of December and I have so many, but I've been dreaming a lot. So like specifically this dream was like I was in like this classroom setting and I think I was like talking to the teacher or professor, but the guy was like doing something on the computer and I went up to check on something with him and he started typing and then he started taking like a pencil or something computer generated on the screen and it's just kind of like and it's zoomed in on a head and so like that, right? So I was like, oh my god, that's amazing. And everyone else is kind of like whatever, and the professor or teacher is just like, it's fine, it's whatever. And like he's sketching it and it's like a full face comes out. It's like a lion head or something. It's like glass in its head and it's like blood dripping and I'm just like, that's amazing. I'm just like, how did you do that on the computer? Like no one's surprised on what I'm seeing right now. And I'm like, how are you doing that? And then like he zooms out of it, but I'm like, oh my gosh, that's amazing. And then he like quickly had to go check on something on the different part of the computer and he was just kind of like, oh, 1 second, click something else. And so it disappeared. He couldn't find it anymore. And so I'm like, did you lose it? And he's looking all through the computer to find what file he was on to work on the piece. And it was just gone. He couldn't find the file. And I woke up. Like, what? What? Like, what? Is that a thing? Like, do people see art in their dreams? The colors, I remember, because I was debating if I wanted to like make it into something quite yet, but like as soon as I woke up, I was just like, it took me like a few hours. That's how I know it was a vivid dream, because I remember the face and how it looked very vividly. And I was like, I remember the colors. I remember it was not like a lion's face, but it was something in the shape. Like it was long, like this. Like my head was like this. Imagine it like this. So I just quickly sketched it out in my notes. I have a lot of dreams sketched in my notes. Y'all be very proud. So I started working on it. I remember the blood, remember the things, and the next part was getting the colors. I want to just throw the colors in there. So then I got the overall like color spectrum and like how I wish that things would look. And then I've spent the rest of my time kind of working on the textures because it was very textured. It was like a pile of snakes, but they weren't snakes. And it was like, it was weird. I don't know, but y'all, this is what I got.
Oh!
I don't, it's so strange. I thought I'd just share it with y'all real quickly. I made this like 2 days ago, but what do y'all see in this piece? But this is what I saw on the computer. The way I looked at it was a self-portrait. Am I tripping? Because I know it looks crazy. I know it seems dark and, you know, thinking about intrusive thoughts and self-harm, disclaimer. But y'all know I'm really honest with you guys. But I thought it was a self-portrait. I felt like these are my faces. These are my moods. And then like the main one is just like smiling. I don't know, maybe, I don't know. I feel like that's just a little easy, you know, cheap way to think of it. But like, what do you guys think this is? Like, what do you think this dream means? But I had that dream. I want to show you guys my painting before I leave. Nothing crazy has been done, okay? Nothing crazy, but this is it. Just focused on the head part. I think what it is when I started painting again, I don't think it was smart for me to go straight in to a face that was already painted. I feel like my best bet if I want to come back into the art scene is to do something entirely fresh and new. That's why it was so easy for me to do that dream. So maybe that's why I felt so uncomfortable, because when I got to the glasses, because y'all didn't see me paint the glasses, everything seemed a little bit more easier because I could adjust my own palette and like, you know, so maybe that's just what it is. I don't know, but thank you for going on this journey. Once again, be vulnerable, be great. I love you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. I wanted to talk to you guys before I left though. If you're still on, I have an idea, okay? I'm just gonna zoom in. So basically, right, I want to do a giant painting. Hear me out. Someone came up to me the other day. Matter of fact, multiple people have came up to me this idea. Would I be willing to like do other people's faces with my style. And I'm just kind of like, I would love to, but I don't think anybody would be vulnerable with me like that. And I'm like, I feel like that would be really cool to do something like that. Hold on, back up. It'd be really cool to do something like that. And my thing is that I'm not around people, you know, and like, I don't know, but let's just say I want to do a really big piece or just smaller pieces. I want to practice trying to show vulnerability through other people's faces, through their stories. If you guys are comfortable with it, anybody who wants to do it, I'm not sure if I want to do video or picture based. Okay, I know this is crazy. I'm giving you homework if you want to do this and send it to me. So basically what I would have you do is take a piece of notebook paper, whatever the case may be. I want you to go on a tangent and really write how you feel. You don't have to add your names. You can, well, I mean, the letter will be by you, but I'll keep the letter anonymous so you don't know which name it is. But write a letter, and I'm asking you, if you could, record yourself in that vulnerable video idea. Make sure I can really get like at least neck up. Record yourself how I do with my videos, like record yourself, look at yourself, talk about the diary, get emotional, get in the feelings. If you want to cry, cry, scream, I mean anything. You can be happy, you can laugh, giggle, fall asleep, I don't know, but record yourself. Then I want you to take screenshots like how I was saying before. You can do 2, 5, 4, as many as you need, and attach it to that letter. You can do it like literally, like print the pictures out, put it in the, like put it next to the letter, mail it in, or you can just do digitally and email me. That's what I want to do. I want to make portraits of you guys, but not just regular portraits. I don't want to be like, I'm gonna paint all my followers, which is exciting. I always wanted to do that, but I want to take it a step further and paint you guys in your full rawness, if that makes sense, if you guys will allow me to do so. But that's my idea. I'm gonna just link everything I just said on my website, so just go to DBNaila.com and show you exactly what you have to do. If you want to do it, it's completely free. Like, I'm not asking for anything. Just send me an email, send me a letter, whatever the case may be. But there's going to be options in some way to send it to me. But I love you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, right? Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I will see you guys very soon. Don't forget, I really can't find this dang scraper. Like,
Now that I've got you right where I want you!
like and subscribe.
Nice.